Assalamualaikum class 8. Hope you will be good. We have completed unit number 2, patriotism. Now I am going to continue my grammar work. So we have done first two letters. I am going to start third letter. Today date is 29/6/2020. Day is Monday. Write a letter to your sister congratulating her on her success in the exam. So you are going to say congratulate your sister who got good marks or who show good result in exams. You will write examination hall, city, colon A dot B dot C and then dot. Here you will write 29 March, 29 June, comma 2020. Then dear Najma, Najma is written. You can write the name of your real sister. किसी आप अपनी सिस्टर का नाम भी लिख सकते हैं या if you want to write any name you can write over here. Your letter brought the happy news of your excellent result in the final examination of class 9. कि आपका जो ख़त है उससे मुझे खुशखबरी मिली है या अच्छी न्यूज़ मिली है कि आपने जो है 9th क्लास में के फाइनल जो एग्ज़ाम्स है उसमें बहुत ही अच्छा रिज़ल्ट दिखाया है. बट यू कैन राइट इट टू योर ओन. यू कैन आल्सो राइट दैट आई हैव रिसीव्ड योर लेटर yesterday and it brought a happy news. I was really happy to know that you have shown excellent result in the final examination of class 9. Now you have promoted in grade 10. So you can write to your own or you can write the letter given in your book. If you will try to write to your own, I shall appreciate it. Just try to write one or two sentences to your own and improve it to your own. I am very happy to learn that you have stood first in your class and maintained your position. I am very proud of you. You have always been a hardworking student and I hope you will work even harder next year for the competition will be quite harder. So you are saying that you should work hard and continue your work so that you can compete the class next year also. कि आप नेक्स्ट साल में भी कंपटीशन जो है जो आपकी क्लास में कंपटीशन है स्टूडेंट्स को compete कर सकें because the competition will be quite harder because in 10th class the many students try to improve their marks, so competition will be harder. She got first position in 9th class, so she wants that she can maintain the position and continue to work hard. Accept my heartiest congratulations on your success. Pay my compliments to Naila and other friends. Yours affectionately, XYZ full stop. You have to write third letter. And also I want to tell you about comprehension passage. We have started first comprehension I have done. Now second comprehension passage, it's given on your book. It's on page number 32 and it's second comprehension passage. Question and answers are still given. You have to write this paragraph in dotted line. Just write 2 to 3 words and then write dots and then write the last 2-3 words. के फर्स्ट 2-3 वर्ड्स लिखें और लास्ट के जो 2-3 वर्ड्स हैं वो लिखें और डॉटेड लाइंस में ये पैराग्राफ लिखें. You don't need to write the full paragraph. See, on a hot summer day, a fox felt very thirsty. गर्मियों के दिन में एक नोमर को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यास लगी. He went about in search of water but could not find water. उसने पानी की तलाश के लिए उसे पानी कहीं भी नहीं मिला. At last he reached a well. आखिरकार वो एक कुएं में पहुंचा. He peeped into it. Unfortunately he slipped and fell into the well. He peeped, उसने उसमें झांक कर देखा और बदकिस्मती से वो स्लिप हुआ और उस कुएं में गिर गया. A goat happened to pass by the well and looked into it. एक बकरी वहाँ से करीब से गुजरी, कुएं के करीब से गुजरी एंड उसके अंदर देखा. What are you doing here, uncle? The cunning fox replied. अब गॉड पूछ रही है, यानी बकरी ने क्या पूछा कि अंकल आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं. चालाक नूमर ने जवाब दिया. डियर नीस, प्यारी भतीजी, आई एम इंजॉइंग अ स्विम डाउन हियर. मैं यहाँ पर तैर कर लुत्फ़अंदोज़ हो रहा हूँ. इट इज़ वेरी प्लेजेंट. यहाँ पर बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. कम डाउन एंड इंजॉय योर सेल्फ टू. तुम भी नीचे आओ और इंजॉय करो या लुत्फ़अंदोज़ हो, खुद से लुत्फ़अंदोज़ हो. द गॉट वाज वेरी थर्स्टी. बकरी बहुत ज़्यादा प्यासी थी. शी जम्प्ड इनटू द वेल. उसने कुएं में छलांग लगा दी. That is the paragraph. See the question, what happened to the thirsty fox? We have to say he slipped into the well and fell into the well. Who passed by the well just then? A god happened to pass by the well and looked into it. You can also write, a god passed by the well just then. What did the god do? The god looked into the well. Just say it. The god looked into the well. What did the god say to the fox? The god said to the fox, what are you doing here, uncle? What did the fox say in reply? The cunning fox replied, dear niece, I am enjoying a swim down here. It is very pleasant. Come down and enjoy yourself too. You can also write, the fox said in reply, I am enjoying a swim as it is very pleasant down here. Why did the god jump into the well? The god jumped into the well as she was taken in by the cunning fox, because she thought that the fox is right, and that's why she jumped into the well. She was taken by the cunning fox. That is the answer. You have to just write this paragraph in dotted line, then you will write just first question and then answer, second question and then second answer, third question and third answer. Don't write just questions first and then all the answers. Write question and answer side by side, कि एक साथ अपने क्वेश्चन और आंसर को साथ लिखना है, अलग अलग नहीं लिखना. You can write the answer from the paragraph also, and if you want to write the answer from the book, you can write it from the book, but it should be correct. That's it. It's your home task. Allah Hafiz.